Good afternoon. Mixed fortunes across the UK through the rest of this weekend. There'll be thicker cloud and outbreaks of rain across Scotland, but elsewhere mainly dry, if not rather cloudy. The brightest of the skies, I think, across more eastern areas. So you can see here a lot of cloud on the map, as I said, through Saturday afternoon, particularly towards the north and the west, with a bit of patchy rain or drizzle, particularly over higher ground. Greatest chance of some sunshine or sunny spells at least further towards the east, but thicker cloud will bring some outbreaks of rain across parts of northern and western Scotland. And here it will be fairly breezy through the afternoon as well, but generally across the country it will be fairly mild. Afternoon highs above where they should be for the time of the year, could reach 9 or 10 degrees in the south, but still fairly cold across Orkney and Shetland. So most of us end the day on a fairly dry, if not rather cloudy note, and it stays generally dry overnight once again. Again, the odd spot of rain or drizzle towards the west, clearest towards the east, but through the night heavier, more persistent rain will spread in across northern and western Scotland once again. Now here winds will really strengthen overnight. We could have gales in exposure and turning quite windy across many other northern areas as well. Further south, lighter winds, and under those clear skies it could turn fairly chilly. Overnight lows of just 2 or 3 degrees, but elsewhere mainly frost free. So we're going to have to a fairly dry start once again for Sunday, and actually it's really spot the difference through Sunday. A lot of cloud around towards the west, again a bit of patchy rain or drizzle, mainly over hills. Brightest skies further towards the east with the best chance of catching a bit of sunshine here. But once again, some further outbreaks of rain or drizzle across northern and western Scotland, particularly across the northwest Highlands, where here some of the rain could be quite heavy. Staying fairly windy across the north and west as well. Again, we could have some gales towards the northern and western Isles, but generally once again it'll be another very mild day for the early part of January, with afternoon highs of 8 to 10 degrees across the board. So the fairly settled weather across the south has been thanks to this area of high pressure. That will get pushed away though as we head into the early part of next week, as areas of low pressure sweep in towards the north of the UK. They will bring bands of rain in across the country through Monday and Tuesday, but it's the strength of the wind we need to keep the closest eye on. As you can see here, some very tightly packed isobars through Monday and through Tuesday, particularly across northern areas of the UK. So already we have a yellow be aware warning in force for those strong winds across northern areas through Tuesday. There could be some impacts from the strength of the wind, so it's definitely worth staying in touch with the forecast for that. For more information, you can always follow us on social media, and I'll see you again soon.